Good morning, Rosebank families. I'm really excited to show you some resources today, but first of all, I want to let you know that we really miss you guys, and we really wish that we could be in schools to see you guys, and we hope that you guys are all healthy and you're enjoying your family and you're enjoying now the sunshine that we are getting. If you need anything, please make sure you reach out to your teachers, you reach out to Miss Akers. We are here for you in any way that we can. So I'm going to go ahead and get to the video today. I wanted to share with you a great resource that we have with our partnership with the Nashville Public Library. You may have heard of it. It's called Limitless Libraries. So to get to Limitless Libraries, what you're going to do is you're going to type in your browser, Limitless Libraries, plural, .org. When you get here, you will notice that you're on this landing page for the Nashville Public Library, and I wanted to show you the resources for elementary students. When you click on elementary school, you'll notice there are plenty of things that you will see. One thing I want you to take note of are these research tools at the very bottom. These are all databases that are free for your child. You will see science, you'll see reading, you'll see an online encyclopedia. One of my favorite resources to take students to is Pebble Go. You have access to both Pebble Go and Pebble Go Next. To get access to this at home, you will need to enter your child's library card number and their PIN. Your child's library card number is their student number. It starts with 190. If you do not know this number, your teacher should know this number. You may reach out to your teacher. You may reach out to Miss Akers, or you may reach out to me, Miss Rodney, and we will be happy to find your child's library card number. When you put your child's 190 number, you will need to put the whole thing. Then the PIN is a 4-digit PIN. It is the month and the day the child is born. So I am born on September 12th. So I would put in 0912 and then I would log in. So I'm going to log in with my username and password to show you what this database looks like. Now we are logged into Pebble Go. These are some examples on regular Pebble Go that you will be able to learn about. So if you wanted to teach your child social studies, you would click social studies and you'll see more options. As you continue, you'll be able to see all your options in Pebble Go. There's a lot of options, as you can see. One of our favorite things about Pebble Go is that this will read it to your child.
When forming the nation, the founders of
and it will read every page to your child. So if your child is not able to read what it is, they are still able to learn that information. So there you go. There's Pebble Go Next for you. I'm going to go ahead and just use my back arrow because I want to now show you how your child can check out audiobooks and ebooks from the public library. Let's say your child loves Diary of a Wimpy Kid. To find that book, you'll notice it will pull up every book over here. You can go over here and change the format so you're only looking for an ebook. An ebook is a book that they can listen to online. Anything with the E in front of it means that you can download it and listen to it without having to go to the public library. So here are all the ebooks for Diary of the Wimpy Kid. If you notice, these are all checked out, so I am not able to read them at this time. But you can still place a hold on this book. Your child's library card number is again that 190 number, and their PIN is also their 4-digit birthday. For example, I am born September 12th, so it would be 0912. Let me think of a book that might be available in an ebook. Give me a second while I think. Okay, I found a book that is an ebook that is available online. To check this book out, I'm going to go to Checkout on Overdrive. Your child would put in their 190 number, but because I'm a teacher, I do not have a 190 number. I will put in a different number and I will continue. And now this book is currently checked out to me. To get this book, you go to your checkout, you click that checkout, and you can either read it online, and that will automatically read that book in your browser, and you will not have to download anything. You could also download this book. Oh, it doesn't look like you can download this. So that book was not downloadable, but I want to show you other options that you could have using your child's 190 number. The last thing I want to show you is down here. You will see other things that your child can download. See all just means that you can see everything that is available. Overdrive is where they house most of their books that are ebooks or audiobooks. Ebooks are the books that I just showed you where you can read it online, and an audiobook is where you can listen to it. When you want to borrow it, you simply click on the book, click borrow, and again put in your child's 190 number. I hope some of these things have helped you and will help your child feel that they have things to do at home. I know that we are all trying to keep our learning up and keep our children entertained at the same time. I have a 5-year-old son, so I'm right there with you. If you need any help or have any questions, please reach out to your teacher or myself, Miss Rodney, and we'll be happy to help you in any way we can. I hope you guys have a great weekend.